Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change disgusting kettle into sparkling one, just with lemons. Usually vinegar is used to clean the kettle naturally, however lemons are just as great natural cleaners, and compared to vinegar they actually smell amazing in your kettle. All you need to do is squeeze out the juice and add it to the kettle together with lemon skins cut into smaller pieces. Next, just add some water. I added 1 liter, but essentially you want to fill in half of your kettle. And hit the button to boil the sugar-free lemonade. It's quite boily, so don't add too much water, you don't want to have a volcano in your kitchen. Then cool down for an hour or so. Once the water is just right, remove the kettle from the power and give it a quick wash inside and outside with a clean sponge. To be honest, usually you don't need to scrub at all, as the limescale just comes off on its own. For me, it wasn't coming off around the edges, so I boiled the mixture again and just poured it into the container back and forth to clean the big part of the kettle. Afterwards, I just poured the hot mixture into baking tray to submerge the upper part of the kettle, so it gets clean there too. If your kettle is electric, watch out for the buttons. Then you just need to rinse the kettle, preferably without any casualties, dry the kettle with a cloth and let it dry completely from the bottom before connecting to electricity. Results are truly mouth-dropping without using any toxic chemicals. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.